Thinking about trying Vascu Flow Drops? Here's what you need to know before buying. Vascu Flow Drops are advertised as a natural solution to support circulation and heart health, with ingredients like omega-3, vitamin C, and vitamin D. While these nutrients are generally beneficial, the product's bold health claims aren't backed by clinical studies or FDA approval. Some users report minor side effects like nausea or stomach discomfort, and the lack of transparency around testing and sourcing raises red flags. It's also sold only on its official website, not on trusted platforms like Amazon or Walmart, which limits buyer protection. The promotional tactics, like countdown timers and exaggerated testimonials, feel more like marketing tricks than genuine proof. If you're looking for real results, talk to a healthcare provider before trying Vascu Flow. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe for more no-fluff insights, and share your experience in the comments. Stay smart and safe out there.